Hi guys! If you watched yesterday's video, you already know what this is going to be about. Today's video is about this delicious platter that I have over here. It's a cheese platter, but it's with all different kinds of delicious things. So today I want to show you how to make a delicious party platter or a cheese board for New Year's or for any party with some delicious fruit, some cheese, some ham, nuts, and did I say fruit? I like to have a lot of fruit on mine, but you can make it whichever way you like. I'm just gonna show you today one way of doing it, and I will also show you what exactly I used for mine. So these are the ingredients that I want to put on my cheese platter. Of course, you can make anything else, you can add anything else that you like. I think the main thing that is always part of this kind of a cheese platter snack board is the grapes and the cheese. Then I'm also adding some smoked ham. You can use Parma ham. I'm using some I think it's Swiss ham that I want to add, so pecan nuts, walnuts, some dried cranberries for a little sweetness. Then I have a persimmon here, and I also want to add some star fruit for decoration. So really you can add anything that you like and make it your own. Then you also need a board where you can plate your snacks. So I washed the fruit and I'm gonna add the fruit first because it's big and it's easier for me than to layer everything else around the fruit. So I'm gonna start with the grapes. So I'm just removing these little bits to add them kind of in these little clusters around the board, so I don't just have a big piece in the middle or so. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for now with the grapes, and I'm just gonna add now the persimmon, which will add some color. If you're not a big fan, you could also use oranges or mandarins, which are great and which are in season right now. You could add less fruit if you don't want the board to be so fruit intensive, but because I really like the fruit, I wanted to add a little more. And now I'm gonna place the rest of my ingredients, the rest of the snacks, around the fruit. And then once I've added all of the cheese, I want to add the ham. Now you can see the board is filling up with different delicious things, and at this point you want to see whether you want to add a little bit more cheese, a little bit more ham, and then we're going to add the nuts and the cranberries on top. So now I'm happy with it, and I'm gonna add in first, I'm gonna sprinkle some cranberries here and there. And then I'm gonna add in the pecan nuts and the walnuts. And then when it's nice and rich, it's full of goodies, you can stop if you can, adding more on top. So you want to have kind of see everything that's in there, so you don't want to crowd the plate so that you can't really see what's in there. and so that it looks pretty. So I'm happy with mine, and the last thing I want to add is a little bit of decoration. So I have this star fruit that I'm gonna add to make it a bit festive. So that was really quick, and I think it's something that you can bring to any party and everyone will be really excited. So I hope you really liked it. I hope you will be making something like this for the new year, and I cannot wait to enjoy this tonight. So as I said in the video, for me, fruit is one of the main things on the cheese board because I really like the sweetness from the fruit, and I like something to balance out the cheese and the ham. But I would love to hear what's your main thing. So what do you always have to have on your cheese board when you're making one? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Show me that thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe over here, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of the new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.